Otter AI tutorial, Otter AI demo. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible number one AI meeting assistant that allows you to take meeting notes, transcriptions, summaries, and a whole lot more. So, if you are a person who takes a lot of meetings, may it be business, may it be educational, may it be personal stuff, Otter AI allows you to transcribe all of your meetings in one place. So, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Otter AI, and here you're going to click on Start for Free. Now, they have a free plan and the business trial plan that you can check out for yourself, but the free plan gives you a lot of great features as well, with around 300 monthly transcription minutes, 30 minutes per conversation. You can import and transcribe 3 audio or video lives per lifetime. So what we're going to do to get ourselves started is we're going to go with the free plan for now. Now, once we're over here, you can add any email of yours. I'm going to continue with Google. Now, once I'm on Google, I'm simply going to go ahead and sign in with my account. Now, once we do that, it's going to ask you to give it access. So make sure to go ahead and do that. There are no privacy issues when it comes to Otter AI. So just go ahead, sign yourself in. And once you do that, it's going to tell you these onboarding notes. So get automatic meeting notes. Otter will join, schedule Zoom meeting, Google, Microsoft meetings where I'm the host, meetings I manually select. I'm going to go with the default settings for now and click on next. Then they give you these different steps to, boost your productivity. You can also invite teammates into your Otter AI workspace. I'm simply again going to skip and continue with the free plan. Now, once you've gone through with all of that, it says, let's get to know you. In which department do you work? So I'm going to go with customer support and I'm going to go with manager and continue. Now, when it comes to Otter AI and letting it record everything in your meeting, you can paste your meeting URLs over here so that it can record everything. You can also connect to additional calendars. Now, basically what that does is it automatically goes ahead and sees the meetings that have been scheduled on your Google Calendar or any other calendar that you connect. And according to that, you won't need to add any URL because it will simply see on your calendar when the meeting is scheduled and it will automatically activate itself at that time. And moving on, you can also go ahead and use Otter AI's very own chatbot. Now, this chatbot basically allows you to ask Otter any questions, like what can I ask Otter Chat? So as you can see, it goes ahead and answers any Otter AI related questions you have. So yeah, basically, if you want to go ahead and get your meetings recorded, add their links over here or add your calendar to schedule the meetings and get your meetings transcribed in the best way possible. So that's pretty much about all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.